In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your email address on Wizz Air. To begin, make sure you are already signed in to your Wizz Air account. Once you are logged in, go to the Wizz Air homepage. From there, look to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. This will open the account menu. Next, select your profile. You will be taken to the section where your account details are displayed. Here you can review the information connected to your account. As you check the profile page, you will notice that the email address field cannot be edited directly. On Wizz Air, this field is locked for security reasons, so there is no option to change it from inside your account settings. After confirming that the email field is not editable, close the profile page and return to the Wizz Air homepage. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. In the footer area, click Help Center. This will take you to the support section where Wizz Air provides assistance for account and booking issues. On the Help Center page, find and click Contact Us. Once the contact page opens, scroll down until you reach the Speak with an Agent section. This area is where Wizz Air provides support options for direct assistance. Now choose your country and your preferred language. After making your selection, Wizz Air will show the available contact information for customer support in your region. Use the provided support method to get in touch with a Wizz Air customer service agent. When you are connected with an agent, explain that you want to update the email address linked to your Wizz Air account. The support representative may ask you to verify your identity before making any changes. Follow the verification steps carefully and provide the requested details so they can confirm that you are the account owner. Once your identity has been verified, ask the agent to update the email address on your account. After the request is processed, wait for confirmation from Wizz Air that the new email address has been successfully added to your profile. Be sure to check for any follow-up messages or instructions related to the update. This is the correct way to change your email address on Wizz Air, since the option is not available directly in the account settings. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.